Alright, what's up guys? Is it here? I'll quickly run through this AI agent build that I made for a workshop. AI enthusiast community powered by Microsoft Teams. I had a workshop with them about 2 weeks ago, and we built out this Gmail agent. Now the link is below for the longer form video that goes a bit more in detail as to how and why I made some of the decisions I did. But yeah, just a quick overview. This is what an agent looks like. To those of you who are not familiar with it, this is basically what an agent looks like. It has an input. This could be anything. It could be a chat message you type. It could be when you receive an email that could trigger your input. It could be a Telegram message. It could be whatever you want it to be, and n8n is that robust, so they have a lot of options. Anyway, it comes into the agent, which is, you should think of an agent as like a framework, or the way I like to think about it is like a robot without a brain, and so we have to give it one and give it commands. If we go into it quickly, we can see it. We can create a user message and a system message. A system message is where some of your prompt engineering skills will come into play, because here you're defining to the system what it does and how it does it. Now you can use other techniques like RAG, retrieval augmented generation, to get more, and fine-tuning to get more detailed output. But anyway, that's it. We give it a brain, and so it can start to think, and our brain is just simply connected it to a LLM. In my case, I'm using OpenAI, but there are a bunch of LLMs you can choose from. Here we have Anthropic, we have Google Gemini, and you can host this locally, like with Llama, and which is what I do. This is just a test version. I run n8n locally, but for this demo, I did it on the cloud. All right. Anyway, if an agent has a memory, has a brain but doesn't have a memory, then it does not remember the conversations. So if this didn't have a memory, and I told this agent, hey, my name is Izzy, and 5 seconds later I asked it, hey, what's my name? It's not going to remember. So I give it a memory, and then I give it tools. Okay, the tools, it acts autonomously, can go and decide what tool it has to use, and that's the cool thing about agents. In this case, I've given it, since I'm making a Gmail agent, I've given it Gmail tools. One of the tools is for it to retrieve my emails, another one is for it to draft responses, and then finally a tool for it to send. I also added a Google Sheet so it could go in and pick up contact details for some people I want to send to. But this is just a brief description of what an agent is and how it works. You can check out the link below for a full video that goes more into detail, and I will try to drop more videos like this as I keep learning AI automation and n8n, and then sharing it with you, and I'll share it with you guys. In the meantime, if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try and get back to you. Thank you.